cargo pants is used in the arduous outdoor activity. Its prominent feature is the pocket. It has many pockets to place the articles, because it's easy to carry articles when you're walking. The pocket of cargo pants is mainly the patch pocket. There are always creases in the pocket to increase the volume. The flap is closed by sap, button, Velcro. The cargo pant is usually used as the training uniform in hunting wear. The pockets of some cargo pants are designed as the hidden pocket. The cargo pants is made of harder fabrics. Many cargo pants adopt quick-drying synthetic fiber or blended cloth. The pants always have belt loop to hold the webbing belt. The parts of knees and hip are typically designed as flexible parts, which is sewed through flat felt seam. Because the superior comfort and durability, cargo pants are received more and more attention and love. The cargo pants can not only be your formal dress, but also be the representation of your personality.